Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 315. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 7, 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 has to be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 8. Don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 8. Got a 4 covering here, so 6, 7, 8, 4, 6, and 8 here, so this is our 7. 6 and 8 here means this is our 4. We've got an 8 here, so that makes this our 6, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 4. 6 here, so 1, 4. That means our 6 has to be here. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 7. No help here, 1, 8, and no help here, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so this is our 1. No help here, 2, 4, or here, 2, 4. But that 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. To finish out this box, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 9, 6. To finish off this column, looks like we're missing a 5. For this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.